Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to another Arca Garage video. Today I'm gonna show you how to remove the heater blower motor on Alfa Romeo Giulietta. Mine is acting up a little bit. I hear some kind of noise, so I am suspecting that there is some kind of debris, leaves or something that went through. So I'm gonna take it apart, and in this video I'm gonna show you in detail how you can do it yourself. I'm gonna start by removing this plastic trim piece right here. Now to remove it, all you gotta do is pop it off. It's held in place with plastic clips. Next, I'm gonna remove this piece of carpet right here. It's held in place with 5 plastic rivets. There's one right there. Here's the second one. There's the third one right there. Fourth one is right here, and the fifth one is all the way in the back. So I'm just gonna pull on these. Now to get the last one, you can just slide the whole thing forward, and you can see here it is. Now it's this one with the notch, so you can slide into the plastic piece right back here. Alright, this is gonna be a bit tricky to remove. Now this piece right here, that's our resistor, and this of course is gonna be our blower motor. Now I'm gonna start by removing this resistor. I'm just gonna press on this little clip and pull the connector down. Now to remove the resistor, I'm gonna press on this clip at the top and slide it to the right. And here it is. The blower motor is usually held in place with only one screw, and I think this is the same case with this one. I can see the screw right there. There's gonna be either 6 or 7 millimeter. I'm gonna remove the connector first. You got 2 of these clips on each side, so I'm just gonna press on them and pull the connector out. Alright, to remove this screw, I'm gonna use my small ratchet and 6 millimeter socket. I gotta warn you, you're gonna need some patience for this. I've actually taped the back of this small ratchet so I don't switch the sides. And now let's go. Alright, now let's try with this longer one to get it undone all the way. Now let's see if I can get it undone the rest of the way by hand. Alright, there it is. Now to remove the blower motor, I'm gonna turn it counterclockwise, and there it is. Alright, now that I got it out here, I'm gonna turn it clockwise for this thing to be down, and I'm gonna try to pull it out. Okay, you gotta be careful here not to break anything. Alright, and here it is. Now when I take a closer look, everything looks okay, but there are some leaves stuck in the fan, as you can see. I'm just gonna pull all of that out, and I'm gonna clean the blower motor housing. Alright, I've cleaned the housing. It wasn't actually too bad, but now it's time to put everything back. Now again, I've positioned this part at the bottom. They gotta watch on this plastic part. There it is. Now I'm gonna get it into the right position. Okay, so now to slide it all the way in, that plastic tab which holds the screw has to be pointing a bit upwards. Now when you put it into that position, the fan is going to be able to slide in, and I'm just going to turn it clockwise, and that is it. Now you can see that it can't slide out. Now again, I'm just going to use this long 6mm to start it up, and then I'm going to switch to small ratchet when I'm unable to screw it anymore with this long one. Right, now to install the resistor, I'm just gonna place it right here. And again, I'm gonna slide it now to the left. I'm gonna plug everything back in. And that is basically it. Anyway, that would be all for this video. I hope you find it useful. If you did, hit that like button and support our channel by subscribing and by sharing our content with the rest of Office.